inspiration come with work. You need to be working non-stop. And when you work, you'll be ready, you'll be here when you have inspiration, but that hard work is going to give you the inspiration. It has happened to me several times to have no inspiration for days and to push and push and do and to hate what I was doing and start a project and 3 hours later just remove everything because it wasn't good anymore. But then on the fourth day, I do something that is amazing. I get that amazing surge of inspiration and I do something great and I do a great track. But that would not have happened if I didn't push through, power through with a lot of work. So it's not all, of course, it is about inspiration, artists and stuff, but it's also the artistic side, but it's also about work, a lot of work. You need to work a lot. Inspiration can come with work. It's not I work when I have inspiration. It's they are both linked. It's would you say it's a two-way street? I think that's how we could say it.